In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete TradingView alerts. If you've ever set up alerts in TradingView and then found your chart covered with old or unnecessary notifications, cleaning them up can make your workspace feel a lot more organized and easier to use. Deleting alerts is actually very quick once you know where to look, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part of the process so you can confidently manage your alerts anytime you need to. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. You can use any chart or symbol you like. The steps will be the same. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. This is where TradingView keeps things like your watch lists, notifications, and ideas. Among these icons, look for the one that represents alerts. It usually looks like a little clock or an alert bell, depending on your interface theme and version. Go ahead and click on that alert or clock icon on the right side bar. When you do, a panel will open that shows all of your current alerts. This list may include price alerts, indicator alerts, or other custom alerts you've set up. Take a moment to review what's there, so you know exactly which ones you want to remove. This is especially useful if you have multiple alerts on the same symbol and only want to clear out a few of them. Next, find the specific alert you want to delete in that list. Each alert will usually display information such as the symbol, the condition, and its current status. To remove an alert, look for the trash can icon associated with that alert. This is the delete button. It is typically placed on the right side of each alert entry, so you can remove them individually. Click on the trash icon for the alert you no longer need. TradingView may ask you to confirm that you want to delete it, just to prevent you from removing something by accident. Once you confirm, that alert will disappear from the list, and it will no longer trigger any notifications. You can repeat this process for any other alerts you want to clean up. Simply select them from the list, click the trash icon, and confirm. In just a few moments, your alert panel can go from cluttered to clean, leaving only the alerts that are still relevant to your trading plan.